Hey everybody, welcome back to Vet Home Collective, your go-to channel for all things VA loans and home buying tips. I'm Donnie Fields, and today we're tackling a question that might be keeping some of you guys up at night. What credit score do I need to qualify for a VA loan? So let's dive right in and maybe have a few laughs along the way. First off, let's address a common question. Does the VA loan actually have a minimum credit score requirement? And simply put, guys, the answer is no. The Department of Veterans Affairs itself does not set minimum credit scores for VA loans. However, most VA-approved lenders do have their own requirements. Even though the VA doesn't set a minimum, lenders usually want to see a credit score of about at least 620. Now, why 620? Maybe it's because it's halfway to 1240, but who's counting, right? But what if your credit score is not 620? Well, don't worry about it. It's not the end of the road. Some lenders might approve loans for borrowers with scores as low as 580 or even lower in some cases. However, this often comes with higher interest rates or additional scrutiny during the underwriting process. It's, kind of like trying to sneak an extra cookie when no one's watching. Of course, in the morning, my daughter always wakes up and realizes I got it. So, that doesn't work out either. So why is your credit score so important? Your credit score is a reflection of your credit worthiness. It shows lenders how likely you are to repay your debts. A higher score generally means you've managed your credit very well, while lower scores may indicate some financial missteps. Simply put, guys, think of this as a report card from middle school, but instead of a gold star, you get lower interest rates. Your credit score is calculated based on several factors, including your payment history, the amount of debt you have, the lengths of your credit history, new credit inquiries, and the types of credit that you use. Payment history is the biggest factor, making up about 35% of your score. This means paying your bills on time is crucial, guys. The amount owed is next, at 30%. So keeping your balance low relative to your credit limits are also key as well. And remember, folks, paying your bills on time isn't just for your credit score. It's also so you can avoid those awkward calls from creditors. Donnie? He's not here. So if you're looking to improve your credit score to qualify for a VA loan, here are some simple tips. 1. Pay your bills on time. This is the single most important thing you can do. Number 2, reduce your debt. Try to keep your credit card balances low. Number 3, check your credit reports for errors. Sometimes mistakes can happen on your credit report and can drag your score down. So you can get a free report from the 3 credit bureaus once a year. Annualcreditreport.com. Avoid new credit inquiries. Each hard inquiry can slightly lower your score, so be mindful of applying for new credit card accounts. Another thing to consider is that different lenders have different requirements. It's a good idea to shop around and find the lender who is willing to work with your specific credit situation. Don't be afraid to ask questions and understand what each lender is offering. Think of it as dating, but instead of looking for love, you're looking for the best mortgage rate. So simply put, guys, to summarize, while the VA doesn't set a minimum credit score, most lenders look for a score of at least 620. If your score is lower, there are still options available, but you might face higher interest rates or more stringent requirements. Improving your credit score is a smart move, whether you're planning to buy a home right now or in the future. And remember, a good credit score is like a good joke. It's always about timing and balance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow veteran, and don't forget to subscribe to Vet Home Collective for more tips and insights. So thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next video.